Hello, I'm Debra Valencia. I'm organizing a workshop in Japan for 10 days of Shibori lessons with the expert instructor Bryan Whitehead. It's limited to 10 people and I only have 3 spots left. What it is we spend 10 days at an 180-year-old farmhouse that's just absolutely lovely in a mountain village about 1.5 hours outside of Tokyo. We do go on some field trips as well to artist studios and stores and things like that. But for the most part, we're having family style meals that are absolutely delicious. We have a wonderful cook that has a whole variety of foods offered, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have accommodations are all, it's a kind of B&B style with bedrooms built on the third floor. And we have lessons from morning till night with our teacher, Bryan. And so we get a homework box ahead of time to prep and design our projects. And we work on dyeing and folding and doing all the final details and dyeing all of our fabrics in the wonderful indigo vats, getting this just lovely deep, deep blue color. And this is great for people that just love fabric crafts, any kind of surface designers. I myself am a professional surface designer. So I have taken some of my designs, scanned them in, and created bedding, stationery, and a number of mass-produced products with my designs. Other people take the original fabrics and make clothing or quilts or just all kinds of things with the fabrics. Everything's very high quality cotton and linen. Anyway, the dates are May 22nd through May 31st, 2026. Please contact me at www.debravalencia.com. Go to my contact page, send me an email, and I will send you a brochure with all of the detailed costs, more photos, more details about what's included. And I really do hope that you'll take advantage of this if you're interested in this wonderful ancient craft of shibori.